Hello, culinary enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of sesame bliss with a Chinese Jian Dui recipe. Brace yourselves for a crunchy, sweet adventure that will not only tantalize your taste buds, but also fill your kitchen with the aroma of irresistible goodness. If you're excited to explore the magic of these sesame-coated wonders, give that like button a little tap, and let's immerse ourselves in the art of crafting Jian Dui from scratch. Kick things off by gathering your ingredients: glutinous rice flour, water, sesame seeds, and sweet red bean paste. Customize the filling to your liking, it's your culinary canvas. Next, dive into the hands-on process of crafting the glutinous rice dough. Roll it into small balls, setting the stage for the delightful surprise within. The magic touch comes with filling each ball with sweet red bean paste, creating a symphony of textures within the dough. Now, embrace the sesame coating, generously rolling each ball to add a delightful crunch and that unmistakable nutty aroma. The grand finale involves frying our Sesame Bliss balls to golden perfection. Watch as they transform into crispy, golden orbs with a crunchy exterior and a soft, sweet interior. As our Jian Dui emerge from the bubbling oil, let them cool for a moment before taking that first delightful bite. The contrast of textures, the crispy sesame exterior and the sweet, velvety red bean filling, is a culinary experience like no other. Thanks for joining our Sesame Bliss Delight adventure. If you've enjoyed this journey into the heart of Jian Dui, don't forget to subscribe for more culinary escapades. Share the joy of crafting these irresistible sesame-coated treats with your friends and family. Until next time, happy cooking, and may your kitchen be filled with the delightful Chinese aroma of sesame bliss.